Yo, 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 it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And for the used car superstore is this 2017 Ram 1500 Limited in Dark Garnet Red Pearl, powered by the Hemi. 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. Come to the front here. This has projector style headlamps light up the road in front of you with high beams and LED running lights. The turn signals are the running lights, so this does have LED turn signals. 2 fog lamps on the front bumper with 2 tow hooks, and those dots on the front bumper are ParkSense front parking sensors. Front and rear bumpers are chrome, and the front bumper does have some color matching touches right there. And there's a chrome bug deflector on the front of the hood. Nice RAM lettering in the middle with the chrome grille. Looks very sharp. Come to the side here. This Ram 1500 is running on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires, and they're ready to take on whatever terrain you take it through. And they're on chrome alloy rims, and there's mud flaps behind all 4 tires on both driver and passenger sides of this truck. There are chrome running boards, which make it that much easier to get inside. Chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors are breakaway, and they're heated mirrors as well. So you heat these up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. And they have built-in LED turn signal lights, and there's also convenience lights built into the bottom of the mirrors that come on when you open up any door, so you can see the ground before you at nighttime. This does have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handle. The truck will sense the fob is near, and they'll unlock the doors for you. Always press that button right there to lock up the Ram Limited when you're done with it. Here's the driver's side door panel. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. Chrome door handles throughout. This has power folding in mirrors. Press this button here and the mirrors fold right in. So if you need to park in a tight parking spot, you can fold the mirrors in, so it's that much easier. And then when you come back out, you can have them fold right back out. Handle here for the driver so they can easily get inside this truck. Automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob, that button there will turn on the box lights. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel with unique materials on top of it. Feels great in the hands. It is a tilt steering wheel too. This has power adjustable pedals. Move the pedals closer or further away to your feet for the best driving position. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This has driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets, and by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. This has leather seats throughout, very comfortable to sit in with unique stitches on them. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable. Nice leather padding here for arms to rest on. There's a beautiful Limited badge right there. Grab this chrome handle. There's an upper storage area right here with a change holder, and there's also a USB port and an auxiliary port connected to your media. Plug anything into those areas and you play music through the Alpine Sound System. And there's also another USB port there so you can charge even more devices. And if you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower. There's even more storage space down in here. There's even a ledge there. You put some pens here or anything small there for quick and easy access. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles to hold your cups into place. Open this up. There's a cell phone holder right here, a 12-volt DC power outlet, and lots of space for many different things. If you have something that you don't want to be seen in here, you can close this back up and it'll be out of sight. And there's a large storage compartment down there. Auto dimming rear view mirror and power sunroof up above. Let's go check out the back seat area. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. Absolutely beautiful styling. Power window switch. Handle right here so your passenger can easily get into the back seat of this truck. The seats do flip up like this, and they have built-in LED lights in them. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where you're walking. And there's a fold-out gate here. You put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using it, you can easily fold it back just like this. And underneath here, there's some storage space. And there's a clip right here, so you clip this up and secure it. And this easily comes right back down. There's a fold-down armrest right here with 2 big cup holders. And there's 2 more cup holders down here. Directional air vents in the back seat area, which you can close and open. Heated seats in the back as well. Nice Ram badge. Extra speakers up above, connected to the Alpine Sound System. LED interior lighting. That also acts as a reading lamp. Push it with your handle, come on. Push it again, it'll shut off. Hooks up above so you can hang out nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. This does have a rear sliding window. And underneath the mats, there are insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. This is where we put gasoline inside this Ram Limited. Come to the back here. Box lights are just up there. LED tail lamps on the back. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. Beautiful chrome RAM lettering. Limited badge, 4x4 badge, looking very good. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram Limited. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate. There's hooks in all 4 corners so you tie it on your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. There is spray and bed liner protecting your box. And there's LED box lights down here as well. They come on when you turn on the box lights. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. Come to the other side here. The chrome running board is looking very nice. Doesn't this color just shine beautifully in the sunlight? I love the chrome rims. I think I like everything about this Ram 1500. Let me show you the other side of the back seat here. Storage down below, storage in the middle, power window switch, Ram badge, handle on this side as well. There's pockets on the backs of the seats, and believe it or not, they are actually magnets. And they're very big pockets, and they just clip right back up, just like that. They have great style to them. Of course, insulated, removable in-floor storage area. This side also folds up, and there's a fold-out gate here. You put things underneath or on top for storage, and there's 2 cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch. And underneath here, here's a subwoofer connected to the Alpine Sound System, adding to the excellent sound quality. And there's a clip right here, so you can clip this up and secure it. LED light, and it folds right back down. Front passenger side here, you can unlock the doors using the passenger door handle as well, just by putting your hand around the door handle. You can always press that button right there to lock up the Ram when you're done with it. Storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, great style, nice Ram badge. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support as well. And underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this Ram 1500. Pocket on the side of the middle console right here. There's also one on the other side. Lower glove box here with a manual. Nice Limited badge right there. Upper glove box with a convenience light. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. And of course a handle here, so who's ever going to be sitting in the front seat can easily lift themselves in. And there's nice stitching on the dashboard. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Ram Limited right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Limited. And what an absolutely gorgeous interior this is. This is the proximity key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. This also has remote start, Press this button twice, the doors will lock, and then the Ram will start right up. And then you can put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handle to get in because it will unlock, or you can just hit the unlock button right here. You can keep this key fob in your pocket, or you could hide it down in here. Nice. Then all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press the push button start button, and that'll get you past the remote start system. And this has a large LCD driver information center screen in the middle, and this truck has 34,448 kilometers on it. Not too bad. Definitely come check this truck out for yourself soon. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the driver information center, and the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. There's a vehicle info page, tells you tire pressures for all 4 tires, transmission temperature, oil life, full on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to the tire pressures. It also has a fuel economy page, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button right here, and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, average vehicle speed, and time been driving for. Trip A has never been reset before, so you can be the first one to reset Trip A. And to reset them, it's very easy. You can just hold the button here, and it will reset. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio area lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case the Ram wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. And back to the digital speedometer. As you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. And the gauges are unique. It's the Laramie Limited. Very modern and have a very sleek design. And if I throw this Ram into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it will guide you to where you're going to be going. And on the screen here, that will also show up the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. If you get too close to an object front or behind you, it will show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object, and you'll also hear audible beeps, and the closer you get to an object, the louder those audible beeps will have. ParkSense is amazing. You're going to find yourself using these more than you think. Push button 4-wheel drive with 4WD auto, trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode. You can turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by using those buttons right there, and you can easily turn them back on again. This has heated and ventilated seats up front, so in the wintertime you keep your bum warm, and during the summer you can keep your bum cool and keep your hands warm in the wintertime with the heated steering wheel. 115 volt AC power outlet, spot for some pens or packs of gum. Physical controls for the audio and the dual climate control right here. Tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button. You can turn off the screen here if you don't want to look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. Hazards, back button will help you guide through the system. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature. Adjust your fan speed by turning this knob. This does have the auto feature, which allows the Ram to adjust your climate control for you. Air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster, directional air vents in the middle. Nice Ram badge there, a little spot for some things. Here's the logo for the Alpine Sound System, letting everybody know that you have that system. Reading lamps up here, and buttons right here for the power sunroof. Just hit the button once, and it will open up right before your eyes. Fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors and convenience lights. And they are also breakaway. And they do slide out just like that. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can set the temperature on the climate control to a certain degree just by using your voice, which I think is absolutely amazing. And you can answer and hang up on calls by using that button right there. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system. This has AM, FM radio, and Sirius XM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station, just like that. Access to a mini map, connect to GPS navigation right there. Adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume. Lots of audio settings that you can adjust yourself. Tells you a song and the artist in the middle of the screen. Info bar up top tells you temperatures for both dual climate control, the temperature outside, and whether your heated seats or heated steering wheel is turned on. Media button here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected, press the media button and you can listen to music through those areas. Touchscreen controls for the heated and ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel, the mirror dimmer, and you can access the backup camera without the truck being in reverse. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. Touchscreen climate controls, you can adjust where you want the air to go. Adjust the fan speed, you can unsync and sync the temperatures. Very straightforward, very easy to use. You can change the temperature just like that. Here's the navigation area. View the map. Gives you a great view of where you are. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Put an address. I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. GPS navigation. It's fantastic. Bluetooth area. Pair a phone. Make hands-free calls. You can pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system right here. And great sound quality through the speakers. Oh, I love it. Definitely rock out, have a good time while you're driving this Laramie Limited Ram. You can travel in style and rock out in style. That is the mute button right there. And the Rory style gear shifter is very out of the way and easy to use. Programmable garage door opener. Handy to have. It's the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Limited in Dark Garnet Red Pearl, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. It has beautiful styling touches everywhere you look in the interior, on the seats, on the doors, on the dashboard. It is absolutely amazing. Makes you feel like $1 million, and the exterior has many nice styling touches as well. Overall, this is an absolutely stunning truck that very few people get to drive. So definitely come on down to Crosstown and take this thing for a test drive, because it could be yours today. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.